Hey guys, this is AJ again. I've been dealing with this laptop quite some time now because this is the Model 13BA 0045CL. So this laptop had a screen broken and a hinge broken as well, but I was not sure if this one would be broken on the base side, but this one is broken here, that's for sure, and the screen is broken. So I found the right parts, brand new parts, very expensive. It was like a screen was just $260 or something, and also the base part was separate. I thought I ordered everything in one, but that was not included, so I had to get the base as well. Also, I had to deal with the old screen because this one did not come with a camera. So here is the interesting part what I found out after I removed the screen. As you guys can see, let me zoom it in. This piece which holds the screen, let me see, holds the screen, those screw holders are completely shredded, broken on both sides. So there is practically nothing was holding the whole entire screen. It was just cover was holding the screen, nothing else. And here is another side. As you can see, this is broken, and those stuff are gone as well. So this is, I really don't want to talk about any companies. They really locking out with the quality, but I have two HP laptops at home. They have a motherboards broken. They are less than a year, and they just not holding any value. They for some reason HP sucks big time in the laptop industry, not the printers, but in the laptop industry. Their quality is so bad. This laptop, it was probably $1,000, and like less than a year, that's where they ended up. So we decided not to fix the laptop because I told them it's gonna cost a lot of money. So we had to get the bottom base here, and that's $200 on the eBay, and $250 or $260 for the screen, and $80 for the back panel, and the labor plus the labor. So I said it's not really worth it to repair the laptop because it costs more money than you would buy with that money the brand new laptop, different brand. So here is the my advice. It's very hard to just make a statement not to buy from HP, but if the HP customer quality control is watching this video, they need to discuss with their the members to they raise the quality and not to use that kind of plastic stuff. Or if they use the plastic stuff, they need to reduce the price dramatically for their product. So that's the problem with the HP. And personally myself, I would not buy any HP laptops on the market, no matter what price they will offer, because their quality sucks. It looks fine and looks good, but they're using the cheap materials and their quality sucks. Very often I run the computer repair shop, and very often I run into the similar problems with the HP product. So well, thank you for watching, and if you guys have any problems about the we have a full support on the computer side and Mac side, and all the data recovery and all the stuff we do in the house. And stop by or give us a call, and we will help you out to make a right decision or fix your problem.